Hi, this is Rich Gossenbeek. Let me just show you how easy it is to take advantage of these news publishers and topics. So the first thing we're going to do is click on the social stream button in the main nav bar. And then when our social stream control panel opens, we're going to click on our name here in the top right corner. And then we're going to click on account and settings. Then on the left side here, we want to pick our social scheduler. So these are basically the same things you went through when you first set up Social Stream using the wizard. Now what we're doing is just going back in and editing our settings, which you can do at any time, by the way. You can edit, your posting schedule, whatever. But what we want to do right now is scroll down to the, where is it? There it is, included publishers. And you'll notice there's a whole lot of new publishers that weren't available when you first set up Social Stream. So all you do, by definition, they're turned off. We're not going to assume anything for you. So what you need to do is turn them on. You would just click on them: apartment therapy, dwell real estate, L decor. And as you turn them on, away you go. Next thing is there are also new topics. And I'm not sure exactly which ones are new, but there's a number of them in there. I think bathroom, bedroom, cleaning and organization, home repairs, home exterior are new. So you just, again, turn on the ones you want to take advantage of. And when you're done, of course, don't forget to hit the save button, and then you are done.